Guys, how's it going? So, this is my computer shop. So, simple lang, pasensya ko na, it's a mess. So, I have bad news. I'm closing down my pisonet shop kasi meron mag-rent dito. Mag-rent dito, I think, gawin nila ng motorcycle shop. Honestly, it's not been looking good on paper sa kasi nag-open ako pero konti lang talaga ang customers ko. I think it has something to do sa location and also sa mga hilig ng mga bata. So ang plan ko ngayon, since I'm closing down the shop na, ang plan ko is to partner with sa mga friends ko and also or benta or pero I'm still gonna still make content about pisonet and piso wifi kasi ang natutunan ko dito, ang experience, yan ang pinaka-importante dito, ang experience kung paano na manage, paano ang mga kasi yan ang pinaka learn ko dito. Marami akong na notice and na realize when running this business, and so gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo and tulungan ng who are planning to put up a pisonet business or a computer shop, internet cafe. So yan, so that's why it's the specs, how you run ng mga accounting side and ang mga diskless server and then mga lahat related sa sa local area network ng mga system. So yeah, I'm still gonna make some content ng mga and I'm always here to help. So paano magpili ng computer, paano mag-assemble, paano magpili ng parts, anong best na graphics card para sa CPU mo. So yeah, pero first time naman kasi I have lots of plans that's the Gigabit server, so that can transfer 100 megabytes per second. Yan, so I have to transfer everything yan, ang cable, Cat6 yan lahat. So yeah, I was hesitant at first kasi I opened ditong shop ko for after ng mga hindi na strict sa pandemic. So and nag-observe ako kung kamusta ang result. So hindi ang revenue ko hindi na pareho sa like pre-pandemic days. It's really hard kasi mga tao ngayon, ang mga kabataan magkaiba na ang gusto nila. And also I did like an unscientific na survey sa high school dito sa aming lugar, and most sa classmates ng kilala ko, they don't want to play computer anymore. They just want to play mobile games, and then kung computer games, Crossfire na talaga, Crossfire, and then League of Legends, I think kinain na ng Riot Games, so Valorant. So yeah, most people, since the pandemic required na online class, may mga computer na sila, and then cellphone. So I think that's one of the reasons nang killed my business. So, pero, ang good thing about this is that ang piso wifi ko naman na business is flourishing naman. I'm earning a tremendous amount sa business ko yan, and parang meron akong consistent na cash flow. So dito ng piso wifi the piso wifi has been subsidizing my pisonet business kasi I have to pay for the electricity and then sa sa internet, and also sa sweldo ng tao dito kasi meron akong printer din nagpi-print and scan and laminate pa ako. So before pre-pandemic, maraming tao dito. Ngayon, wala na talaga. So guys, that's about it. Share ko lang sa inyo, update lang. Pero I'm planning sa bahay ko dito, I'm planning to put up a diskless server so parang nag-wonder ka bakit diskless server sa bahay mo. So it's for my pamangkin she likes to play games, so ayaw ko mag-update. So and also mag-access ng file like movies. Isang computer, nandiyan na lahat ang movies and games. Diyan na sila lahat mag-access. No need to So I think I'm gonna give a video about that soon after matanggal ko dito lahat. So yan na talaga guys. Sayang na kasi maraming memories dito, mga tournament and then mga kabataan na gi-enjoy after class dito dumidiretso. So yeah, so guys, thank you for watching, and kung may mga tanong kayo, feel free to message me, and also don't forget to subscribe to channel ko. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.